snowballed with this chainsaw. It all started with these felling dogs. Then I made a muffler. Called it the Doom Tube. Yes, I know it's pretty cheesy. And then decided to make myself a custom cold air intake. Had a motorcycle filter laying around, some scrap. I had to customize the switch a little bit. It's a little sloppy, but it turned out kind of cool looking. And we're going to see how this thing works. Put a 18-inch bar on it. You can see the specs right there. I don't know, enough talking. Let's cut something down. Alright, there it is. I don't know what else to do to it. I may advance the timing, try that out a little bit, run some high octane fuel, but I think this saw's turned into a pretty cool project. And like always, I want to thank you for watching.